session predominantly cinema viewing experience enhance cheste auditorium lo more people will be coming. Cinema theaters and cinema businesses are already affected because of multiple platforms, television, digital platforms, Netflixes and all these things. మన ఆడియన్స్ని మన థియేటర్స్లోకి తీసుకురావాలంటే we need to have good cinemas. చిన్న ఊళ్ళల్లో air conditioning, good toilets, good seats, good sound, good lighting are basics. ఇవి చేస్తున్న ప్రతి ఊర్లో more and more fresher audience are coming in and watching films. We've been doing it in Andhra and Telangana and we've seen very good results. Alane, when we have a big film like Robos and Bahubalis, and if they are coming in 3D, this is another enhanced experience for the audience. మనం వాళ్ళని మన థియేటర్స్లోకి రప్పించుకోవాలంటే we need to make these investments and only then the exhibition business will survive. Lekapothe the same experience people will start having it in the house and slowly the film industry will die. So constant upgrading of cinemas is what will keep us alive for a longer period of time. Geddi people have given a fairly good offer, and I'm sure the Harkness people will also give better offers. So this is a good opportunity. Let's use this and make the best of what we have. Thank you very much. I want to thank the people, the team, Robo, Raju, especially for taking so much of interest with their film and seeing that exhibitors will enhance their viewing experience. Ila producers, directors and exhibitors, if all of us together make a continuous effort in making cinema viewing better, it will be better for the industry. Thank you.
एक्साइटिंग बनाएंगे हमारे सिनेमा हॉल्स. तो आप लोग सब ये बिजनेस में कब से हैं और सुरेश बाबू जी भी इतने हैं, उनके एक्सपीरियंस के साथ बात की है. आई थिंक ये फ्यूचर है हमारा. और रोबो 2.0 जैसा फिल्म आने से हम में से ज़्यादा लोग शायद ऐसे टेक्नोलॉजी भी अडॉप्ट करेंगे और हमारे हॉल्स में और एक्साइटिंग और एंटरटेनिंग सिनेमा प्रेजेंट करेंगे. आई विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट एंड आई विश द रोबो 2.0 and Raju Mahalingam the very best. Thank you.
Screens and Google, I found there is a profound quality in it, and usually we see in Hollywood when a film comes, like they change the screens, they change the seating pattern, and the viewing 3D glasses quality. We usually see in Hollywood things happening like this, and I'm surprised things like that happening in South India,
Europe. So it's not something that we locally produce, so there's consistency in every screen that we make. There is a huge technical backup facility that we have in Europe. Over the last 2 years, we spent close to $4 million in just R&D to see the screen. So a lot of people ask me, what is there to spend $4 million on a piece of plastic? That's exactly the reason why we need to spend so much money, is because there's so many things that happen out of the plastic that you can take advantage of as cinema exhibitors. There's a set of professional apps that you can download onto your computers or your iPads or what have you, so you can use that to design your cinemas. So these are some of the benefits that we have. Really on the 3D space, we do have 2D screens, but I don't want to talk about 2D because this is all about 3D and how we should get the cinemas up to 3D. So we have 3 essential families of screens. We have Spectral, which I call a workhorse, which is one of the most famous 3D screens globally. There's another one called the Claris, which is the most premium screen. It's also the most expensive screen. There's a reason for it, and the reason is essentially it brings down things like speckle when you go into laser and what have you. But there is the most important part is the third type of screen, which is Cineviso. This is a screen that is not coated. Nobody makes non-coated silver screens, and this is the first time ever there is a technology where we are able to make screens without actually a paint on top of it. This is also at a very, very good pricing. This is a sort of an entry-level product which it has a lot of technological advantages. So to promote these 3 screens, we've got a pricing which is what I would like to call a sort of a Robo 2.0 pricing. The price is valid. It's a special price that we offered for all the cinema exhibitors here to cinemas. So if I'd urge everybody to take advantage of this. The prices that I've offered is much lower than what we were selling screens 6 years ago. So please take advantage of it. On the next slide, I have the contact details of Chaitanya Patil, who's our country head and who's essentially responsible for the business in India. And you can contact him, and we also have a toll-free number that you can call to order screens and contact us for any details. Now, one other thing that I would offer is please feel free to call us for anything related to 3D, even if it's not screens, even if you're not buying our screens, that's fine. Like I said, it's important for us to keep the business of cinema exhibition alive. So if there's anything that I can help or I can assist you in figuring out the technology of 3D, I'm really happy.
I'm Sarju from Real Films Geddi. Next slide. Okay. So I'm gonna quickly go through brief introduction about the company, and I'll take over some frequently asked questions that people ask us when they are about to install 3D, and then I'll directly take you through the products which are available, and finally the special offers that we have come up for this movie 2.0. Next slide. Okay. So we are the exclusive dealers for Geddi in India, and right now we are the largest supplier of 3D equipments and 3D systems and 3D glasses in the country. So as a company, we solely focus on 3D, and we have been at the forefront of implementing. So these are some of our regional clients: Asian Cinemas, Suresh Productions, SVC Cinemas, V Celluloid, Prasad, Tivoli Cinemas, and many more single screens in this area.